Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you how to make the magic circle. So take the yarn and wrap it around your fingers and make it so you see that X, like so. You're going to go ahead and take your hook and you're going to go up under that bottom ring. You're going to pull that tail up, like so, just like that. You're going to go ahead and grab it and chain whatever your pattern calls for. I'm chaining 3. 1, 2, 3. And I think I'm going to do a double crochet inside the ring just for the video sake. So we're pulling up a loop, we're yarning over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's a double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, go through the first 2 loops, yarn over, go through the second remaining loops, and then how I know whether my magic circle is right, I'll pull the tail right there, and if it tightens up like this, then I know I did it right. So I'll go ahead and show you again. Wrap the yarn around like that, and it's going to make an X. Take your hook and put it on the bottom loop. Pull that tail up. Chain whatever the pattern calls for. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to do a single crochet next. Pull through both loops. I'm going to insert my hook again and bring another single crochet up. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten it to see if it's right. And if it tighten up and draw all the way in, then you know it's right. I hope that this helps. This is the most simplest, easiest way for me to explain it. Watch as many times as you like. And I am out.